Look up. There goes the newest version of the BVT516. Majestic, isn't it? Well, it wasn't just built to be elegant. It's a true marvel of modern aircraft technology, and let us tell you why. The BVT516 is a Class 3 quad-plane drone, powered by 2 high-capacity batteries and controlled by a state-of-the-art flight controller. It's quickly deployable, easily portable, and can be assembled without tools. Vertical takeoff and landing mode, perfect for tighter spaces and complex landing conditions, as well as fixed wing mode, to cover more ground and reach speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. And if you're wondering how long it can fly, you'll love the updated version, 180 minutes of autonomy. We're fully aware of how important it is to have diverse and reliable connectivity options. That's why the BVT516 is able to equip multiple communication links, including unlimited operational range wherever cellular coverage exists, as well as a point-to-point radio link with up to a 100 kilometers range. We're immensely proud to present you the new version of this drone, designed and produced in Europe, and of course, fully compliant with the NATO standardization agreement. It represents efficiency, resilience, and innovation. BVT516.